Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. It's Ankit. Whenever or wherever you're watching this video, thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to watch today's video. I hope everyone's having the best day or the best week of their life. Today, I just want to do a video about finding winners in a down stock market. As you know, we're headed towards a recession, as some people say, but I already believe we're in a recession. How can you find some nice stocks, and when should you add stocks to your portfolio? Or some of you guys are new investors, you don't even have an account. Well, I'll leave in the description. And for those of you that don't already have a brokerage account or a stock portfolio, I'm going to leave URLs in the description below so you can create your account and get some free stocks. And then you can add some money to your account once it's created and verified. And then you can have that money ready for whenever the stock market drops and you find some stocks that you want to invest in for the long term. And you can incorporate those stocks in your portfolio and get free stocks. Who doesn't love free stocks? So I'll have all that in the description below. Let's hit 7,000 subscribers on this channel. With all that out of the way, let's get into today's video and talk about how you can find great stocks during a down market or a recession. There are stocks like energy and healthcare sectors that have skyrocketed even though the rest of the stock market has tumbled due to the recession fears. With the price of energy going up globally, companies like ExxonMobil and EQT or NextEra Energy stand to benefit from the foreseeable future. While some stocks have been winners this year, we must warn you that even the pros can't predict what the stock market is going to do or what's going to happen in the future. And I know a lot of people say history repeats itself, but this is different. We printed so much money this year, and now, the Fed is reducing their balance sheet. Interest rates are going up. Inflation is at all-time highs. Some of you might be asking, how long does a bear market last? Here's the past bear markets. Here's how long they last. Here's where we are. Now, on average is on the right. Now, as you can see, this is where we are. And this is what the average is. But I think it's going to be a little bit worse. But I can't predict the future, so I really can't tell you. But that's what the average looks like. And that's where we are. So we still got a long way to go. Now, how can you find winners in a down market? Well, let's look at some different sectors that fall under this umbrella, where you can find amazing recession-proof industries, defensive stocks known for performing well, even during an economy downslide or recession or all that. You can look at consumer staples, which is people will always need the basic staple items like bread, milk, toilet paper, and other goods that are required for survival. Alcohol, people don't give up on their vices during a recession. Less money may be spent on fine dining, but consumers will still purchase alcohol. Utilities, energy companies do well during recessions because people still need electricity, gas, and water. Healthcare, basic transportation. So you can look at companies like Biogen, BIIB, ExxonMobil, XOM, McKesson Corp, MCK, Coterra Energy, CTRA, EQT, trading under the ticker EQT. And what are some other stocks that typically outperform the market during the recession? Are like Walmart, McDonald's, Procter & Gamble, Johnson & Johnson. So here's how you recession-proof your portfolio. Invest for long term. It is important to zoom out of the chart and look at it. And keep in mind the perspective that investing is a long-term game because you're investing. You're not day trading or swing trading. Seek defensive stocks. You want to change your allocation within your portfolio to invest in defensive stocks to protect yourself. Know yourself and know your risk tolerance. Margin safety and your risk tolerance is very important. If you panic when the market slides, then you have to evaluate your strategy. And you may want to build a more balanced portfolio but there's no reason to panic unless your whole portfolio looks like Kathy Woods.